We all know the trite-old expression, you can't have your cake and eat it too. While that may often be true, it's total hogwash when it comes to making mobile map apps for iPads, iPhones, and Android devices. AppStudio for ArcGIS gives you the best of both worlds, because AppStudio was built by developers for developers like you. Whether you're a web developer, a Python scripter, or a full-on code ninja, you'll find that AppStudio is the easiest and fastest way to build iOS and Android apps at the same time. And how do we know that? Because we use AppStudio to build Survey123, one of Esri's mobile field apps. And AppStudio was created to save developers a ton of time and angst. So we were able to go from concept to launch in record time. Sound too good to be true? Stick with us the next 3 minutes and we'll show you how easy it is to get coding with AppStudio, even if you've never built a mobile app before. You'll never have to choose which platforms you want to support, because AppStudio is built upon Qt, a cross-platform SDK that lets you write your code once and run it on Android and iOS devices, and even has local apps on desktops running Windows, macOS, and Linux. One of the things you'll notice when you take AppStudio for a test drive is that it will look and feel familiar. You may be working in a new language, but it'll feel similar, almost intuitive to what you already know. Kind of like driving a new car out of a dealership. Different, but familiar at the same time. Sure, you could hack together the bits and pieces needed to get a job done, or you can go with something that has everything ready to go. With AppStudio, a single install gives you everything you need to build your mobile app, such as an app project manager tool, access to samples and templates, and a complete IDE. Downloading a log file just so you can start debugging is so 2016. With AppStudio Player, you can test your apps on multiple devices before you ever generate an install build. And get this, if you're on the same local Wi-Fi, you can debug your app in real time by live streaming your console data back to AppStudio Desktop. Win! Setting up a build environment with all the latest components and libraries can be a tedious job, especially if you're targeting multiple platforms. Save time by utilizing build environment in the cloud. Simply upload your apps, select your desired platforms, and have your executables generated in the cloud. You focus on creating great apps, and we take care of the hard work. You do the cooking, we do the washing. So there you have it. AppStudio will get you building your own mobile map apps for iOS and Android in record time. And it'll be far easier and quicker than you think, even if you are new to building mobile apps. We know because our developers made it for other developers just like you.